Good morning, students. The next concept, the partial derivatives. The partial derivative, that is what? When u is f of x, that is what? U in terms of the two variables x and y involving function of two independent variables x and y. The derivative of u with respect to w and with respect to x, when x vary, that is what? Variable. Y remains constant is called the partial derivative of u with respect to x divided by dou u by dou x. This is previously du by dx, no, but here dou this is called d. The symbol u by dou x is a symbol. This is called partially differentiate with respect to x, or otherwise u suffix x. The u with respect to x. Similarly, the partial derivative of u with respect to y divided by dou u by dou y, or otherwise u suffix y. Important concept. This is called partially differentiate with respect to x. For example, u equal to x into y is there. U equal to x plus y is there. For example, this u with respect to x, that is what? Partially differentiate this u with respect to x means equal to x is variable, y is constant, y is the product, you know. That's why y is here. Difference of x is 1, y is answer. Similarly, u with respect to y means x is constant, difference of y is what? 1, y is answer, x is answer. Here, suppose u equal to x plus y is there, but dou u by dou x means x is variable, difference of x is 1, but plus y, the y comes separate, you know, thus the constant becomes 0. Then dou u dou y means x is constant, comes separate, you know, 0, y is 1. In this way, you want to differentiate. Previously, ordinary difference means x into y involving means u formula. But here, partially differentiate with respect to x means x alone variable, y is constant, and the y coming separately means that is 0, plus y minus y becomes 0. Suppose x into y or x by y, in terms of product or division, the y involved means y is same, difference of x is only 1, that is answer. In this way, you want to differentiate. But difference upon the variable is very important. With respect to x means x alone variable, y is constant, just say 2, 3, that is the name of number, no, that is a constant, y also constant. By x plus y is constant, plus y, that is 0. In the ordinary difference is what? 2 into x, you know, 2 is constant, difference of x is what? 1. Number 2 into 2 is answer. So by x plus 2 means what? X plus 2, x is 1 name, plus 2 coming separate, you know, that is 0. Just like here, x variable means x alone variable. Dou u by dou x means x alone variable, the remains constant. The constant coming separately means 0 will come. In terms of product means the constant remains same, no change. Another concept, homogeneous function. Homogeneous function means a function f of x, y is independent of x and y is said to be a homogeneous function in x and y of degree n. That is what? F of dx, dy. F of x is given. Replace x by dx, replace by dy after t for something into f of x will come in, that is called homogeneous function of degree. The power whatever may be, that is called degree n. Power 2 means 2 is a degree. Power half means half is a degree. Power 0 means 0 is a degree. Moreover, what is the condition? F of dx, dy equal to t for something into the f of x will come, that is called homogeneous function. For use this idea, Euler's theorem. For u of x, y is said to be homogeneous function of dn. First of all, use this idea, you find the degree after what is Euler's theorem? The u is a homogeneous function, and the u with respect to x multiplies. Again, u with respect to y multiplies. Adding both, they get the answer n into u. D is n. The function is what? You know, n into u. So, but d is 2 means 2u. D is half into u. This is correct. This is note. This is called second order derivative. Second order partial differentiation. Dou square is what is the name? Dou by dou x or dou u. Dou square is dou x by mean dou by dou y or dou u. Multiply dou into dou square u by dou y dou x dou y whole square. The dou square u by dou x by mean, first one is what? Dou by dou x or dou u by dou u. Suppose this is what asking me, you will find first with respect to y, after with respect to x. That's very important. In this what alone asking me, this can be as dou by dou x or dou u by dou y. First with respect to y, or second with respect to y, one answer will come and know. That answer is partially differentiate with respect to x. Suppose this is asking me, this can be as dou by dou y or dou u by x. First you differentiate with respect to x, then y. In this way, you want to differentiate. A small exercise. I want to cover only by using the homogeneous, Euler's, and the first, second order derivative. In this way only, we get one first exercise. Now, first exercise problem. Now, listen here. Z equal to ax plus b into cy plus dz. What is given? Z equal to ax plus b into cy plus d is the question. The first one, partially, short form, partially differentiate with respect to x. Am I right? What is called? The z is partially with respect to x means dou again by dou x is equal to what I told you? A is the variable. Am I right? X is the variable. With respect to x is the variable. The cy plus the inter product is equal to this is constant. No change. You see here. What is the first answer right? Difference of this one. A into difference of x is 1 plus b can be separated by 0. What is a into cy plus b is the first answer. That's all. This is in terms of product is there. That's why this constant is fixed here. In this bracket, x variable is there. This is a variable. You want to differentiate with respect to x a into 1 a plus b is coming separately constant on 0. Similarly, partially differentiate with respect to y. But dou y by dou y is equal to ax plus b without y there is constant. No change. Now differentiation of the next one cy plus d. C into differentiation of y with respect to y is 1 plus d is coming separately on 0. The answer is C into C into ax plus b is the answer. This is only asking. First problem, this is only asking. The next question, if u equal to e power xy, then show that dou square u by dou x square plus dou square u by dou y square equal to u into x square plus y square. This is what you want to do. Am I right? Now start with the u. This is given now. This is the question. Now what is given? Given u equal to e power xy. The same method, partially differentiate with respect to x. Am I right? But dou u by dou x. Already told you, the e power something becomes e power something. No etc. Into the power something. The power will be differentiate with respect to x. X is 1, y is constant. No change at all. Am I right? Am I right? Am I right? Y into e power xy. That's all. Am I right? E power something becomes e power something. Into something should be differentiated with respect to x. X is variable. Difference of x is 1, but y is constant. The constant no change at all. Into y. That's all. Similarly, partially differentiate with respect to y. Am I right? But dou u by dou y again, the e power something becomes e power something. Into something should be differentiated with respect to y. Of x is constant. Difference of y is what? 1. Of x into e power x. But what is asking? Dou square u by dou x square asking. What is the meaning of this? Dou by dou x of dou u by dou x. Am I right? But dou by dou x of, but dou u by x already find out y into e power xy. Am I right? With respect to x, y is constant. That's why y is not change at all. Again, the e power something become e power something into the something should be differentiated with respect to x. Again, what is the answer? X is 1 y. Y square into e power xy. Am I right? First answer over. Again, to find dou square y by dou square u by dou y square equal to dou by dou ya, dou u by dou e. Dou by dou ya, the dou u by dou already find out. X into e power xy. Now this one differentiate with respect to y. Y is a variable. X is constant. This is constant. The x is constant. What is that? Because it does multiplication. That's why x is fixed here. Suppose x plus something means x becomes 0. With the same question, x plus e power xy means what is the meaning? With respect to y known, by x is coming separately. There is 0. Depending only this one. But here, we get the product. That's why x is fixed here. And difference is on e power something become e power something into difference is on something with respect to y. X is fixed here. Y difference 1. Multiply x square into e power x. Now, start with LHS, this LHS. This LHS. The first answer is what? Y square into e power xy. It is x square into e power xy. E power xy is common. Y square plus x square. The e power xy is what? Already given. Again u. Okay, u into this can x square plus y square. That only you want to prove. That is the answer. You will find one by one. After adding those, we get the answer. But in the second question, what question? The second question, you want verification. Prove that. Show that. This question is not easy for you. Only the partially mean which one variable? That alone variable, living as a constant. And the constant coming separately, the total will become 0. Am I correct? This side. Now third problem. U equal to x into cos y, y into cos x given. This is also given. First with respect to x, with respect to y. After start with LHS, then RHS will be equal. With respect to x, but dou u by dou x equal to the cos y, constant is here, difference x is 1. But y is constant is here, cos x become minus sin x. The answer is cos y minus y into sin x. First one over. Then dou u by dou y with respect to y means y is a variable. X is constant. Difference is now cos y equal to minus sin y plus again cos x is fixed here. The y plus 1. The answer is 1 into cos is no. Otherwise minus x into sin y plus cos x. Am I right? Now start with LHS. What is LHS? Dou square u by dou x y. This can be dou by dou x of dou u by dou y. Dou by dou x of the dou u by dou y already find out minus x into sin y plus cos x. Am I right? Now with respect to x minus the sin y is constant, no change. Difference of x is 1 plus difference is now cos x with respect to x minus sin x. Am I right? Therefore minus is common. We get answer sin x plus sin y. This is the first answer. Similarly, RHS is what? Dou square u by dou y dou x. This can be dou by dou y dou u by dou x. Dou by dou y the dou u by dou x already find out. What is the answer? Cos y minus y into sin x. Am I right? Am I right? Now with respect to y. Am I right? With respect to y means the cos y becomes minus sin y. Minus sin x is constant is fixed here. Difference of y with respect to y is 1. Here also minus is common. Sin x plus cos x. Sin x plus sin y. Am I right? This is 2. Therefore, from 1 and 2, LHS product. Am I right? The conclusion is very important. This type of question is 5%. You want to verify. That's all. Now, fourth question. Verify Euler's theorem. This is the question. What is given? U equal to x cube plus y cube plus 3x into y square. This can be u of x comma y. What is it? U in terms of x y comma. So u of x comma y equal to the same thing. Now, the Euler's theorem is first to verify there is homogeneous function or not, and also find the degree of the function. What I told you, homogeneous function means replace expect tx then dy y by dy. Something here x cube tx whole cube dy whole cube 3 with x is what ts here ty whole square. Now simplify t cube x cube t cube whole cube. Am I right? Plus 3 dx here t square x square. Am I right? Now t square will be t cube. T cube. Am I right? T cube is common. What have we done? X cube plus y cube plus 3xy square. Am I right? Now t power 3 into this together. What is the answer? U of x comma y. U of x comma y. Am I right? U of tx comma ty become t power something into u of x comma y. This means U is a homogeneous of degree is what? Degree is the power 1. Am I right? Now U is a homogeneous function of degree 3. That's why by using Euler theorem. What is Euler theorem? The U is a homogeneous function. That's why that U partially with respect to U with respect to x multiply x. Same thing that u with respect to y multiplied by y plus is equal to 3 into u. This is the Euler theorem formula. Now what is our name? Verify yourself. When you use yourself, you get this result. Then verify verification. Put the verification. Verification. What is given? This is given. Now partially differentiate with respect to x. So dou u by x. Okay? Dou u by x. Equal what? X cube become 3x square. That is the formula. The y cube becomes 0 because no x will be. Okay, 3y square is constant. X becomes 1. Okay, 3x square plus 3y square. Okay? Now partially differentiate with respect to y. For dou u by dou y is equal to x cube becomes 0, the y cube becomes 3y square, 3x is constant, difference becomes what? 2y. Now multiply 3y square 6xy. Now start with LHS. What is LHS? X into dou u by x, y into dou u by x. This is a verification. You find this multiply x, multiply find this one, multiply y, add it to the get the answer to du. That is called verification. By x into dou u is 75 now. 3x square plus 3y square plus y into this is 75 3y square plus 6x square. Now multiply x. 3x cube. 3xy square. Here. 3y cube, here 6xy square. Now add these two. 3x cube plus 3y cube plus 9xy square. 3 is common. X cube plus y cube 3xy square. Exactly what? U. Am I right? U. That is our answer. Start with the lectures. Therefore, Euler's theorem, verify Euler's theorem. Verify 5%. Question is verify Euler's theorem. Euler's theorem is the Euler's theorem formula. Before using this formula to find the degree, am I right? Then verify this. Verify this one. If you want to put LHS to answer, we get that. 5%. Now 50%. U equal to x square y cube into cos of x y y. Then by using the Euler's theorem, so that you want to put this answer. Am I right? What is given? U equal to x square into y cube into cos of x y square. It's also u in terms of x, you know, so u of x comma y power 3, sorry, here 2, here power 3 into cos of, replace x by dx, y by dx, alright? Now this t square, x square, t power 3 into y cube, into cos of x by t square into t power 2, that is what? T cube, t square, t cube, t power 5 into x square, y cube into cos of x by y. So t power 5 into this given as our assumption u of x comma y. So u of tx comma ty will come in t power something into u of x comma y. That means implies u is here homogeneous of degree 5, correct? Degree 5. By using the Euler's theorem, what is the answer? The u with respect to x multiplied x and the u with respect to y multiplied y plus adding more equal to u into 5, that is 5u. That's all. By using the Euler's theorem, you get the answer. Yes, so that you want to put this answer, automatically coming. That is the answer. Hence 2, that's all. Hence, this is the answer. Your answer is given. You want to prove this answer after finding the homogeneous function of degree 5, then by using this term, directly you get the answer. That's all. Now all the exercise problems are over. I want to do some example problem also because this exercise is very important exercise for 5 mark question. Now example problem 6.38. This question is very important 5 mark question. Verify Euler's theorem for the function. What is given? U equal to 1 by root of x square plus y square. This can write u of x comma y, right? Now replace x by dx, y by dy equal to root of 1 by root of x square, x is tx, or t square x square. The y square, y is what? T square y square. Inside the square root, t square is common, the remaining terms are x square plus y square. By out of root of t square, what will t will come in the root of x square plus y square will come. Okay? The 1 by t given as t power minus 1 into the remainder is what? 1 by root of x square plus y square. No? This is that is the upper one. U of x comma y. Am I right? So u of dx comma dy become t power minus 1 into u of x comma y. Which implies u is here homogeneous function of homogeneous of degree minus 1. Am I right? Now Euler's theorem is what? By Euler's theorem, what is the answer? The u with respect to x multiplied x and the u with respect to y multiplied y equal to plus equal to, what is the answer? U into minus 1, that is minus 2. Now by Euler's theorem is statement. But what is asking? Verify asking. Now put the verification. U equal to what? 1 by root of x square plus y square. This can be root means power half, you know. That is what? X square plus y square whole power minus half. Am I right? Now partially differentiate with respect to x means dou u by dou x. Am I right? What is the power rule? Minus 1 by 2 into the inside by the same thing, the power will be reduced by 1 into inside the bracket you want to differentiate with respect to x is what? X square become 2x, y square become 0. Okay? The 2 to cancel. Now minus x into x square plus y square whole power adding 2 is LCM, 2 is up to minus 2 and minus 3. Okay? This is the first step. Similarly, partially differentiate with respect to y. That means what? Dou u by dou y. The same thing only. By using the power rule, minus half into x square plus y square whole power minus half minus 1 into differentiation of the inside bracket with respect to y. X square becomes 0, y square 2y, 2 to cancel, minus y into x square plus y square whole power 3 by 2. Okay? Now start with LHS. What is LHS? X into dou u by x, y into dou u by dou y. Okay? Now x into the dou u will amplify now. What is that? Minus x into x square plus y square whole power minus 3 by 2 plus y into minus y into x square plus y square whole power minus 3 by 2. Okay? Now multiply minus x square into x square plus y square whole power minus 3 by 2 minus y into minus y square into x square plus y square whole power minus 3 by 2. Out of this two term, what is common? Minus common. The x square plus y square whole power minus 3 is also common. The remaining terms are minus sign outside, this other sign outside, remainder only x square. Here also minus sign outside plus y square. Here no power is not only. The base will be equal to x square plus y square. There also x square plus y square. Here power minus 3 by 2, there power 1. The power will be added. Okay? Minus 3 by 2 plus 1. Now take any LCM. 2 is LCM. Minus 3 plus 2, that is minus 1 by 2. Minus x square plus y square whole power minus 1 by 2 is what? U. That is RHS. Am I right? So start with LHS, get RHS. Therefore, Euler's theorem verified. You got to find the question? So by using the associate to find the theory, after getting Euler's theorem, you want to do LHS quadrature. This is called verification. Suppose the answer is given, that's all. Need not verify the answer. But the answer not given. Verify the Euler's theorem. By using the Euler's theorem after, you must prove LHS quadrature. Then only Euler's theorem verified. You got to find one question? One more question also is there. Now, example 6.39. This is the final question. If u equal to log of x power 4 plus y power 4 divided by x plus y, by using the Euler's theorem, show that x into dou u by x plus y into dou u by y equal to 3. This is given. Usually, this comes as u of x comma y. Then replace x by dx and dy. Initial law, dx means t power 4 x power 4, t power 4 y power 4, dx dy. After taking t power 4 common, the t common, after taking t power 3 is there. But if you need the answer, u of dx comma dy equal to t power something into u of x comma y. But here, log of t power something is there. The t power something, not possible to take outside. That's why, removing on that on both sides. Removing that on both sides means taking the exponential on both sides. Exponential on both sides. One result is that the e power of will be cancelled here only x power 4 y power 4 by x plus y is e power u. Say f equal to e power u. Am I right? The e power u is f. Now previous area. F can write f of x y x power 4 plus y power 4 by x plus y. Am I right? Now previous area. Replace x by dx, y by dy. They what answer? T power 4 x power 4. Am I right? Replace x by dx. Dx whole power 4. T power 4 x power 4. Here again t power 4 y power 4 divided by dx dy. Am I right? Now t power 4 is common. Taken outside. Here x power 4 y power 4. Here t is common x plus y. After the cancellation here, t power something, t power 3 is this exactly what? F of x y. Left hand side, f of dx comma dy is there. Okay? Therefore, this is a play. F of dx comma dy become t power something into f of without dx meaning f is here homogeneous. Homogeneous of degree is what? 3. Am I right? Therefore, the Euler's theorem. What is Euler's theorem? F only homogeneous person. That f with respect to x multiply x. The f with respect to y multiply y plus equal to 3f. This is your theorem. But our answer is what? F is equal to e for u. Because answer is not equal to u. That's why we don't want f. The x into dou by dou x are f is what? E for u. Again, dou by dou y e for u equal to 3 into e for u. Okay? Now, x into differentiation of e for u become e for u into the power of differentiate with respect to x. Power is not u. With respect to x means dou u by x extra will come. Am I right? Similarly here, y into again the e differentiation of e for u become e for u into the power u no, that is that u is differentiate with respect to y means dou u by dou y. Here only 3u because here only dou involving, here no dou involving. Now on the other hand, e for e is common, divide out. So x into dou u by dou x plus y into dou u by dou y equal to only 3. Hence prove this answer. You got my question? Now only very involving directly possible to find homogeneous function. But outside inside the bracket, log, sin, cos, e, this way involving that should be removed then as usual. We have only one problem, log of this involving, we don't want log, that's why taking exponential on both sides, taking e for u, e for log of something, e for log something, you cancel one, remain, then we get x power 4, y power 4, then x power 4 only, then also this side. Now another example 6.37, u equal to xy plus sin of xy. Then show that dou square u by dou x dou y equal to dou square u by dou y dx. This is clear now. First partially with respect to x. Am I right? But dou u by dou x only variable. Y is constant, given x is 1 plus sin of something become cos of something into differentiation inside bracket. Inside x is going on. Y is again constant, given x is 1. Answer is y plus y into cos of x plus x is 1. This is the first answer. Similarly, partially differentiate with respect to y. For dou u by dou y equal to y is variable. X is constant, difference of y becomes 1. Again, plus sin of something become cos of something into, again x is constant, difference of y is 1. X plus x into cos of x. Now only start with the LHS. What is LHS? Dou square u by dou x dou y. This kind of dou by dou x or dou u by dou y. Alright? Again, dou by dou x or the dou u by dou y are find out. X plus x into cos of x y. Already find out. Okay? Now, the inside bracket, far side differentiate inside bracket with respect to x. X, differentiate x is 1 plus here also x is there. Inside bracket also x is there. A product two variable. That's why, what is the formula? U is formula. U b dash plus b dash u. The first one is fixed here. Differentiation of cos of something become minus sin of something. Am I right? Into the inside bracket differentiate with respect to x. Of x is 1 y will come. Am I right? Plus cos of x y is fixed here. Differentiation of cos of x is no. That is 1. Now multiply 1 plus the minus x into xy into sin of xy plus cos of xy. This is the first answer. Similarly, find RHS equal to dou square u by dou y dou x. Dou by dou y, dou u by dou x. Dou by dou y, already find out dou u by dou x. What is that answer? Y plus y into cos of xy. Am I right? Here also with respect to y. plus here also y, here also y. That's a uniform law. Y into cos of something is minus sin of something. Am I right? Into difference is not inside bracket. X into y to raise the 1 plus now cos of x y is fixed here into difference of first one is what? The y becomes 1. Now I got 1 plus the minus minus x into xy sin of xy plus cos of xy is the answer. Am I right? Both also be equal. From 1 to LHS must be RHS. This is the answer. Let's go. Anyway, you want to verify the answer. Only by using the partial differences idea is very important. Now one more question. Example 6.36. If u equal to log of x square plus y square, then show that dou square u by dou x square plus dou square u by dou y square equal to 0. Now first one, partially differentiate with respect to x. For dou u by dou x means already told you log of something means 1 by something into differentiation of something x square with respect to 2x plus y square becomes 0. For 2x divided by x square plus y square is the first one. Again, partially differentiate with respect to y. Dou u by dou y is equal to the same thing. Log of something means 1 by something into differentiation of inside something. Inside bracket something is x square becomes 0. Y square becomes with respect to y now 2y. Therefore 2y by x square plus y square. We want dou square u by dou x square. That means what? Dou u by dou x or dou u by x. This is the meaning. Am I right? For dou by dou x already find out 2x by x square plus y square. Now with respect to x now, the x involved in numerator as well as denominator. Therefore, by using the formula, differentiation of u divided by the formula b u dash by this is the formula for u by v. Mention the formula clearly. This is equal to with respect to x square plus y square whole square denominator. The denominator into differentiation of numerator 2 into 1 minus 2x into differentiation of denominator what? X square become 2x, the y square is 0. Okay? Now multiply 2x square, 2y square minus 4x square by this one. Again subtract 2y square minus 2x square by x square plus y square whole square. This is the first answer. Similarly, you will find dou square u by dou y square. What is the formula? Dou by dou y, dou u by dou y. Dou by dou y, and dou u dou y. 2y divided by x square plus y square. This with respect to y. Y involved in numerator as well as denominator. Again by using u by v formula. V square b into difference of 2y with respect to y is 2 into 1 minus 2y into difference of x square plus y square with respect to y. X square becomes 0, y square to y. Now simplify 2x square 2y square minus 4y square by x square plus y square whole square. Okay? Now subtract 2x square minus 2y square by x square plus y square whole square. What is the question? Adding both become 0. The LHS is equal to dou square u by dou x square, dou square u by dou y square. The first answer is what? 2y square minus 2x square by x square plus y square whole square plus next one 2x square minus 2y square x square plus y square whole square. Okay? Denominator will be common. Take easier. Okay? What is numerator? 2y square, 2x square minus 2y square. All can be cancelled. take it 0 by something. Right? 0 by something, 0, there is RHS. You want to prove that LHS is equal to RHS. How do you get the answer? This is also 5%. In this exercise, you got 5%. You must have all the problem. That's all.